With everything from luggage and toys to pillows and blankets packed into the cabin, the annual family vacation or summer road trip can often feel cramped and stuffy. And the driver's sight lines, forget about it. As a result, the popularity of rooftop cargo carriers has exploded in recent years. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best rooftop cargo carriers that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Yakima Skybox Carbonite. Good Housekeeping chose the 16 cubic foot Skybox as its best overall rooftop cargo carrier because it ticked all the boxes in terms of durability, effectiveness, and ease of use. Its sleek and relatively sexy design didn't hurt either. GHI loved the tapered rear of the box, which allows room for hatchbacks to tilt up without difficulty, and the dual-sided opening that makes the Skybox convenient to access from all around the car. The lockable lid keeps your stuff secure, and the versatile mounting system should fit most roof racks. Best of all, it comes in 3 sizes to fit almost any vehicle and gear. At number 4, Thule Force XT XL. One of the most trusted brands in rooftop storage, Thule's extra-large cargo carrier is also aerodynamic and easy to use. GHI testers were able to load 7 pairs of skis into the Force XT XL, and even at high speeds with a full load, wind noise and drag were minimal. GHI testers were impressed by the usability of Thule's quick mount system with its intuitive power click design that makes an audible clicking sound when the carrier is properly secured. Rothman noted that she needed to add wing bars to her Volvo XC90 in order to mount the Thule, but said the process was easy after that. At number 3, Jegs Rooftop Cargo Carrier. If you're looking for an affordable rooftop pod without sacrificing functionality, you could do worse than the Jegs. It's one of the largest capacity cargo carriers on this list and features much of the functionality of pricier options, such as dual-sided access and a watertight design. Its boxy design isn't suited for long items such as skis and golf clubs, but it's ideal for luggage. GHI engineers noted its lightweight construction may not hold up as well as some others. Further, the U-bolt mounting system requires your crossbars to be exactly 24 inches apart, which may require an additional aftermarket crossbar. At number 2, Hitch Cargo Carrier Bag. Kyx always aims to design an anti-tear cargo bag for our customers, with a 5.5 mm thickened daub coating technology. This Hitch mount cargo carrier bag provides multi-layer high-density fabric materials in 1.32 pounds per cubic feet. Besides that, it provides a reinforced coating material to reduce the degree of peeling of the cloth. This prevents absolutely 100% water from soaking into your luggage. Cargo bags. Kyx always aims to provide a good customer experience with a 100% waterproof cargo bag with an integrated rain curtain design. The extra Velcro flaps and sealed waterproof zippers can also protect your belongings for soaking on rainy days or extreme cold weather. Heavy-duty buckles and straps. You can just bundle the heavy-duty straps into your car, pickup, truck and enjoy driving at high speed at night, and not worry about any breaking or fracturing problems. Finally, at number 1, Kyx 21 cubic feet waterproof car roof bag. Kyx 21 cubic feet soft shell roof bag aims to provide massive safe space for family trips. This rooftop cargo carrier can hold 6-8 suitcases plus other outdoor travel luggage case such as sleeping bags, tents and carry-on bags. When more space left in the car, a more comfortable journey is about to start. The sealed zipper, wrapped by 2-layer waterproof flap, is able to prevent direct exposure to rain even though it is raining and blowing hard. With durable and thick material and reinforced seams, Kyx top cargo bag will achieve real 100% waterproof even in downpours. Depending on the ultra-dense fabric and daub coating technology, Kyx roof rack cargo carrier obtains 2.5x tensile strength and reaches absolutely weatherproof and tearproof. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.